Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking all about the Chanel Small Vanity on a Chain. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Shauna. I put out videos about once a week and my videos are all about luxury, hauls, fashion. So if you guys like that, you're definitely going to like my other videos. So please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on another video. So this little gem was extremely hard to find. Now, I have seen this on the resale market for over $1,000 above retail, and I was not going to do that. If you guys aren't new and you know my channel, then you know I am always looking out for a deal, so you know Mama was not going to spend over $1,000 on retail on this baby. As much as I love the color and the idea of it and the price point, I still wasn't going to go there. I just think that that's completely outrageous. Now, if you guys, if one of you out there or some of you did bite the bullet and kind of just go over retail with it, that's totally fine too. I am just all about finding deals, and not that I found a deal on this. However, I feel like I scored because it's so impossible to find, and like I said, it's being resold for so much more. So yeah, that's that. I guess I'll start by saying how I scored it. And I basically called Chanel every single day because their stores were closed with COVID. They really didn't have any information for me. And then I believe I called and they said that Saks had one left. So I tried to reach out to my Saks SA, and my one beautiful, amazing sales associate, Moji, hooked it up. First she said it wasn't available, and then I was like, come on Moji, I know you can find it for me, and I actually ended up locating the exact store, and she found it for me. I actually believe I messaged her like 4 times before, like, come on, can you find this for me? And she wasn't able to find it, but I did my research and she hooked it up. She said that she had somebody go to be the first one online to ring it up in order for me to get this. So I'm super lucky and thankful for you, Moji. So thank you if you're watching. But I also want to shout out my friend. Her YouTube channel is Me Like To, or Me Likey To. Her name is Yvette. Hi, if you are watching. She also picked up this gem and she was trying to help me find one, and one of her essays actually had one and then it sold. I don't really know what happened, but she was really helpful with that, and she did a review on this bag, so definitely check out that that video. I'll leave it down below, and also make sure to subscribe to her channel because I love her. I can literally watch her videos all day. Her voice is just so calming and her content is really great. And yeah, I guess we'll talk about what fits inside first. So I wasn't using this bag, but I believe I did leave something in. Yes, I did. Okay. Some receipts. I'm going to pull out the chain. And right now inside I have my mini, what is this? Oh, mini O case. This is the purple 20S. I actually did a video revealing this, so I'll leave that link down below. But you can see I have money and cards inside of it. Yvette actually made a really good point. She mentioned that a lot of the videos reviewing this weren't showing the SLGs with things inside, so I wanted to show you guys that. So it has money and cards, so I'll put that in the back. Oh, I wish I had lipstick to stick. There's like a little lipstick pocket, and then there's 3 card slots in the back. 3? Yes. I wish I had a lipstick to show that with you guys, but I don't. It's okay. And then I guess I also have my extra large card case, so I'll put that right in front of the mini O case. And you'll see there's still some room. I'm gonna take my phone. Oh, and I forgot to mention that my card case is stuffed. So, what'd I do? Okay. So there's my phone, and that fits pretty tightly. As you can see, there's some room in there. So if I had like headphones, or if I wanted to stick a lipstick in there or a little hand sanitizer, it would fit perfectly in that spot. And now I'm going to take out my card case, keep my phone in. I'm going to put my 6-ring key holder, and then I'm going to put my Ray-Ban Sunnies, so you can see that I still could really fit like a hand sanitizer or lipsticks or something else in there. And I'm going to put my Ray-Bans right on top. Oh guys, this fits perfectly, I think. Yeah. Wow. This little thing literally fits so much. Like, it fits as much as a Chanel mini rectangular, because I have one of those and I know what fits in it, and this fits just as much, guys. It's pretty crazy. What else? What other combination can I do? I guess I'll take out the O case, because I usually don't use this with the O case. And I'll stick this in. Let's see, hold on. I'll put my phone in the back. Wait a second, sorry. Okay. Oh yeah. Wow. So check that out, you guys. There's so much room right there. I'm trying to see if I have anything on hand to add in, but I don't. But you can tell that that can fit like... Oh. Okay, wait a second. Now I'm going to have to go get lipstick and put it in and see if all of this fits. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I went and grabbed some lipsticks. And, oh yeah. So you'll see I fit 2 lipsticks in there. I can even fit a third. I have a lip gloss, but it won't fit this way. It'll fit this way. So there's that. And then I can even take the lip gloss out and put my sunglasses. Now, I don't think a big thing of sunglasses would fit, but that fits pretty damn good, I must say. Wow, this thing like really amazes me. And if you guys carry AirPods, I don't, but I have this like big charger just to see, because I feel like it's the same size, and that fits. Wow, you guys, this bag is literally crazy how much it fits. You would never guess. The price point, it retails for $15.50 plus tax. So it is less than half of, it's like maybe 60% less than the Chanel Rectangular Mini or the Chanel Square Mini. And it's so flipping cute. Like, honestly, it's so cute. I can wear it crossbody. Now, I am 5'7", by the way, guys. I am wearing sweats, so don't judge me. Let me back it up a little bit for you guys. So I am 5'7", and it fits me right at my hip. Now, I do wish it was like a tad bit longer for wearing crossbody. However, wearing it on the shoulder is like perfect. It's not too long. I think that people that are shorter than me can definitely get away with this, and even taller than me. And about this pink color, you guys, it's not coming up true, but it is so pretty. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you'll see some pictures of it on there. But if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely check me out. My name there is trendythread_, and it's so pretty. It has the light gold hardware. It has these 2 lines on the back and the pretty quilts. It is just, the caviar for this season is so shiny. I don't know if you guys can tell. It features the 2 zippers. Now, the chain is definitely skinnier than the minis, but that doesn't really bother me so much. It still has a nice weight to it. And I think that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it down below for me. Make sure that you are part of my family and you're subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.